What are we doing in education? So at Box Hill Institute, and there's some people from Box Hill Institute here today, I believe, we're actually working on a vocationally focused BIM program, which is looking at how do we get BIM into training centres and to training, registered training organisations to teach them about technology. So a program's been developed, it's currently underway, it's not been certified, and then we've actually mapped that with a timber construction, prefabricated timber construction course. The outputs from one course will actually feed to be the inputs of the other course. And now you're actually starting to get collaboration in terms of education, where actual core units from different courses are actually working together with other core units in a receive and a transmission scenario. And one of the key things in the course between the BIM program and the mass timber construction program is digital fabrication. And so taking that concept of how do we actually design something digitally and not rip up the model and throw away and do it again, and transfer that to a project manager who's able to then to understand a construction sequence using iPads, tablets, helmets, glasses, etc., and deliver a building. And as I said before, we're actually doing alliance contracting at Melbourne University, trying to bridge between R&D and industry, which is quite a challenge for universities at the time. Might not be so for UTAS. Tech meets low tech. So I've flown through these two, by the way, Adam, for your benefit, just so you give me more time next time. Google has embraced timber. So Sidewalk Labs in Toronto have been given a parcel of land. They've come up with a solution. They've acquired a couple of architects, including Michael Green. And Michael Green and Sidewalk Labs, part of Alphabet, have constructed a city effectively, and they're using V or K-brace scenarios with cross-laminated timber and alternate materials to develop a city. So this is just some of the schematic sketches that they're putting together. They had a survey that said how much road should we leave, and this is what they came up with. There's virtually no road. It's more parks, public transport and bicycle lanes. And the city's got a life of its own. So essentially there's some quite large curtain wall systems made out of not a glass, more like a polycarbonate, that actually expand and open up in the summer to be able to expose the internal of the city, but then they close again when it's snow season, so they actually hold the occupants within. And these interesting hexagon-shaped platforms or cells in the middle of the road are actually designed to emit heat to dissipate snow, so they don't have to go and put snow graders through or run salt all over the roads like they do in Chicago. They also have embedded some with light technology, so they can actually change lanes and dynamically control the way the traffic flows through their cities. And this is the location for the actual city, and I'm going to... this here is actually Sidewalk Labs head office, and they own all this land. They couldn't touch the silos, so they've got to keep the outside because they're heritage listed, but they're actually going to do something on the inside of those. They're going to start building here very, very soon, and the City of Toronto has given them this smart cities location to conduct this amazing experiment. There's a significant team of 100 employees at the moment working on the project, and watch this space is all I would say.